Hi, this is Ai Johnson from Acupuncture Interior Consulting, and today I'm here, Roots Mindful Acupuncture in Midtown. The reason why I'm here today is to show completion of the interior design, Feng Shui interior design project with this acupuncture clinic.
The size of my client's clinic is very small, so all the furniture we want to keep in this room is a massage bed, her work desk and chair, and an armchair for her client. And to avoid making the room look busy and small, we pick white as a main color, and we add some green plants to make the space look and feel healing and comfortable. I apply Feng Shui's principle, yin-yang theory, and 5 elements into interior design. The concept of yin and yang is that two opposing energies, for example, female and male, or dark and light, or old and young, those two opposing energies exist as sets. As a Feng Shui interior designer, I care this yin and yang balance in space and make sure the space doesn't go too feminine or too masculine or too bright or too dark. According to 5 elements theory, everything in nature is made up of 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. When I design space, I make sure to have all the 5 elements in harmony so that energy in the space can flow smoothly and we can feel comfortable and happy being in the space.
Thank you for having me today here.
Oh, thank you.
I have a few questions for you after, Feng Shui interior design project finished. My first question is, why you decided to use Feng Shui interior design, not like a regular interior design?
I am acupuncturist and this is an acupuncture clinic, so I really care about the flow of energy because that's all about our job and our work. We believe yin and yang, 5 elements, and good energy is very important. So that's why I wanted to work with Feng Shui designer.
Excellent. And after you move here from your old office of old clinic, actually same building but a totally different space. After you move in with a newly arranged room, what do you feel? How do you feel? How do you like it? And what's happening?
Well, so this space was empty, so we started everything from scratch.
Yeah.
So this like my little baby here, and I'm so excited and I'm very happy with the result and outcomes. The space I think is very beautiful and is very healing, and I'm happy about it. And also my patients like the space as well. So,
Oh yeah.
and many patients comment that they're very comfortable. This is very lovely, peaceful. So overall, I'm very happy with the space, and I feel good about it.
Very nice, very nice. Originally, my design suggestion for you was because your element, your personal Feng Shui element, energy type is metal, I told you. And I wanted you to make more money through your business and things like that. Did your business kind of, do you have any change or big, or how can I say, progress after that?
Absolutely. So even though COVID-19 it is a very difficult time, my clinic is very busy. I have back-to-back my patients since I moved here. A lot of patients come as word of mouth because they're very comfortable here. And thank you so much that I'm very busy at the moment. I think thank you so much for that helped me for creating beautiful space.
Excellent. I'm very happy to hear that. Yeah, you're so busy.
Yes, I am busy.
I envy you. Okay, great. So yeah, that's actually, I think that's all I wanted to ask you. And I hope your business, more successful. and I will be back here as a patient too.
Thank you so much. And,
Thank you very much.
yes, I'm very happy, and I will highly recommend Feng Shui for everyone.
Thank you. So yeah, that's all. Thank you very much.